Attention please. The area is under surveillance.
Hi guys, it's HikVision here. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up the speaker and light strobe settings on the HikVision G1, G2 SL series. So first off, let's log on to your NVR's web browser. Once you're logged in, let's click on Configuration at the top. And now if you haven't already got virtual host enabled, if you just click on Network, Advanced Settings, Other, and then just make sure Enable Virtual Host is ticked, and click on Save. Now let's head on over to System on the left hand side, Camera Management, IP Camera, and now you'll see there's blue links next to each camera, and this will allow you to log into that specific camera. So click on the link to the camera you want to set up, log into that camera. In most cases it will be the same details as your NVR login. Once you're logged in, click on Configuration, then let's click on Event, and then Basic Event, and this is where we can set up our flashing alarm light output. So you can choose your flashing duration in seconds, your flashing frequency, so how quickly the strobe flashes. So high is very fast flashing, we can set it to low, which is every few seconds it will flash. You can also set a schedule specific to the alarm light output. After setting these settings, just make sure you tap on Save. Now we can head on over to Audible Alarm Output. So this is the audible warning that you can hear. So you can change it on this list here. So attention please, the area is under surveillance is our standard. You can change it to any of these. Let's give that a quick test.
Attention please. The area is under surveillance.
Alarm times is how many times that is going to say that warning. In most cases I set it to 1, so it looks a bit more believable. And then sound volume I'll leave it at 100 depending on where you fitted the camera. And once again you can set up a schedule. So that is different to the actual notification to the HikConnect app. This is just for the audible alarm output schedule, not the HikConnect triggering notifying the surveillance centre. Just make sure after you've done the settings, click on Save. And now before we set our zones up, you're going to want to go to Smart Event. Let's say you're setting up on intrusion detection. You just want to go to Linkage Method, and you're going to want to tick Flashing Alarm and Audible Warning. Click on Save. And now let's go back onto our NVR webpage. Let's go down to Event, Smart Event, and then just choose the camera you want, so Post, go to Intrusion, and here we're just going to set our zone up like normal. So Enable Intrusion Detection, tick, Draw Area. For this demo I'm just going to do the full screen. Then we've got Human or Vehicle Detection, so that's going to filter out any nuisance filters such as cats, leaves, etc. If you don't tick any of these, it will literally trigger it a lot more than it should. And of course threshold, the amount of time in seconds the object's got to be in your zone before it will trigger. And sensitivity, leave that at 50, that's the default. Let's just check our linkage method. Notify surveillance centre is indeed enabled, so that's going to trigger to my HikConnect app. Just tap on Save. And yeah, that is pretty much it guys. Just go outside, make sure it is actually indeed working, it is talking to you, it is flashing at you. And yeah, that is everything all done. If you've got any questions, need any further help, let me know in the comments down below. And I'll get back to you. But yeah, take care. Bye bye.